My name is James Franklin. I'm a 4D child support magistrate at the Juvenile Court of Memphis in Shelby County, Tennessee. As a 4D magistrate, I hear cases involving child support and paternity, and cases that are related to those cases, such as contempt for failure to pay or petitions asking for a disestablishment of paternity. I have been in my position for almost 4 years, or what will be 4 years in February of 2022. Prior to becoming a magistrate, I was in private practice for 8 years, and I had a practice that dealt with primarily juvenile court cases. I served on the juvenile defender panel. I served on the dependency and neglect panel at this court, where I represented children in both delinquency cases and in dependency and neglect cases. Prior to that, I was an attorney with the Department of Children's Services in Shelby County and also another county in Tennessee, and I did that for another 4 years. The reason that I am so passionate about the work that we do at this court is because I love what we do with families. I love the work that's done with families. If you're dealing with a DCS case, the objective is almost always going to be to rehabilitate the family. If you're dealing with a case involving some delinquent act of a child, the objective is almost always going to be to rehabilitate the child. I love this court and the many resources and the many people that work tirelessly trying to get families back together, trying to repair families with court intervention. As a child support magistrate, the cases that I hear are not quite as interesting as some of the delinquent cases that I used to be involved in, or some of the dependency and neglect cases that this court hears on a day-to-day basis. But it's still very necessary. The child support cases are very necessary for the custodial parent, and so it's very important for those cases to be heard and for them to be heard right. What I wish that more fathers would know and understand is that if you come to court having exercised a lot of parenting time, that parenting time is actually a bigger defense than anything else that you could raise, because under our child support law, you pay less child support. So if there was something that I wish that I could tell all of the dads, is to exercise as much parenting time as you possibly can, because if you do, well, you're getting a good bond with the child, but you're also spending less in child support. And it also works out a lot better for you when you come back and you get in front of me.